Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 3, responsibilities of a good citizen. What are the points we have to discuss? Importance of studying civics. First point, importance of studying civics. To understand human rights. Importance of studying civics is it is important to understand human rights. So here question arises, what are human rights? Human rights help our people to live a better life. To understand duties and responsibilities of citizens. Duties, so what are duties? Duties are, there is a close relationship between rights and duties. We must do our duty in order to enjoy our rights. To understand environment in which we live in, to promote peace and security in our society, to understand and uphold our culture, to establish good relationship and respect. So next point is ways to be a good citizen. What are the ways to be a good citizen? How can we become a good citizen? Be honest and trustworthy. Follow rules and laws. Children, respect the rights of others. Be informed about the world around you. Respect the property of others. Be compassionate. Take responsibility for your actions. Be a good neighbor. Protect the environment. Okay. By doing so, you can become a good citizen. Next point is importance of good neighbor. Importance of good neighbor. Neighbors. What are neighbors? Who is neighbor? Neighbors are the people who live near us and their behavior influences our daily life. Good neighbors make everyone feel comfortable. Every neighbor should have a friendly relationship with each other. They are as important as relatives because they could provide the immediate help. Good neighbor is one who is always willing to help others. A neighbor who likes to help others will get helped in return. Good neighbors can form a friendly and harmonious relationship among the neighbors. So next point, what we have to discuss, responsibility of a good citizen. Responsibilities of a good citizen. Every citizen has some role and responsibilities towards their nation or country. So first is participation in election. Election are held in every democratic country to select the government, as you know. Okay, from the lower level you can know from village to central government. We are choosing our representatives, and finally central government. From the lower level you can take example from the village. Village there is panchayat, then towns and cities, then village panchayat, then municipal committees, municipal corporations, then district governments, state governments and central governments. In state governments there are different chief ministers of every state. Okay, they are taking care of their respective states. Then head of the country is prime minister. Importance of voting. What is importance of voting? voting is important. Why it is important? Why voting is important? It is a basic human right. It is a basic human right. It gives us the right to voice out our choice. We can choose, we can elect our representatives to our choice. The person who having the age of 18 or more than that, they can give vote. So we should cast our vote responsibly. If we do not cast our vote, corrupt officials may misuse our votes illegally. So next we have to discuss care for public and private places. Care for public and private places. So now we'll discuss that. What is public property and private property? Public and private property. Private property, property bought from personal income. The property that is bought from personal income is known as private property. For example, our house, car, scooter, scooty, books, bag, okay, etc. etc. The next is public property. Property that belongs to all of us. Public property, that property which belongs to all of us. So under private property I have given the examples, houses, cars, scooties. Then next is public property, for example school property. For example, take example of your school. You are coming here in school. So here in school, children, you should not write on the walls. You should not scratch on the desks. Always throw the waste or litter in the dustbin only. Switch off the fans and lights of a classroom when not in use. Do not think that, okay, I didn't listen, I have